Your weather quiz of the day.
Oh, boy.
And back in 1955, we had the big flood.
Hurricane, flood.
Which was from Connie and Diane, the two storms.
Those
We've got
ladies.
all the information you need to know about those storms, the stories and the lost people, and it's all on ctnow.com. Really neat stuff to read there. So if you want to go and read about that, or if you remember it, and also on this date, another storm, a hurricane did come through here. Hurricane Bob, 1991. Hurricane Bob.
Get one this year?
I don't know. At this point in time, there's not much going on. It's unusually quiet, so we'll have to see what happens.
Doesn't that make you weather people like?
Well, it makes it a little leery because this is a year that's forecast to be very active. It's not doing anything, and it seems like years when there's not much action, those are the years that something comes in, like hurricane down there in Florida. Andrew, back in 1992, it was only one of a couple of that came that year, but it hit Florida. So we just get a little concerned when there's not much going on. So, And remember, Gloria didn't come till September 27th, 1985. So they can go late in the season, too. Yes, exactly. So
that 55 business, I don't.
No, I don't even remember that. All right, let's take a look outside this morning. You'll see that it's hit at 85 for the high yesterday. It was a nice day. Every day's been nice this summer. The heat's been there. We've had 27 days, 90 plus, and certainly a situation now where if these highs keep coming down out of Canada, we're going to be hard-pressed to have any tropical weather move in, although there is a chance late in the weekend that some rain would move in. The average high this time of year is 82. The average low is around 60. And on that comfort scale, yes, the dew points down there in the 50s. Very dry, very cool, very nice out there this morning. Temperatures in at 57 in Waterbury, 56 at Willimantic, 59 Norwich, 63 at New Haven, 61 at Hartford. So a lot of 50s showing around the area. As, yes, we had this area of moisture move out to sea to our south and east yesterday. Look at all that rain, that mist. We're talking about 1-2 inches or more of rain that all moved out of Washington, Baltimore, New Jersey. But not for us, as the high-pressure system's to the north and just wants to keep that moisture out of the way. Next front comes in here this evening. That's a weak one. Another one behind it. The bottom line is the high keeps coming down out of Canada. Today, maybe a little more humidity this afternoon, but not much. The temperatures that are very warm across most of the nation. And, yes, here's that front, a little weak front late this afternoon and this evening. Might have a shower with it. Most towns won't see one. The main front comes through going into tomorrow morning. And then we're setting up for very beautiful, gorgeous, comfortable weather for tomorrow and Saturday. It's by late Sunday into Sunday night and Monday would be the next shot for some showers. At the beach today, temperature in the mid-80s, water temperature in the mid-70s, a light southwest wind. Your cast today, looking at northwestern Connecticut, 85 at Torrington, 84 at Litchfield. It's a mostly sunny sky. It's low to moderate humidity. And in the valley, we've got temperatures heading on for 89 at Hartford, 87 at Middletown. So it's a very warm day, but humidity's not bad. And, into the eastern areas of the state, temperatures into the middle 80s, sundown 7:45. Fox 7-day forecast, slight chance for an evening shower. Otherwise, it's mainly dry. We're in the 60s tonight. Tomorrow, low mid-80s, mostly sunny, beautiful, gorgeous weather. And going ahead to Saturday, highs in the low 80s, mostly sunny, delightful, pleasant. Sunday, increasing clouds, the high in the 80s. Could have some showers late Sunday, Sunday night into Monday.
Thanks, Joe.
You guys, it's country fair season.
Yay.
Are you getting excited?
Yes.
The calendar section has it. I mean, they've got all of the ones: Bridgewater, Hartford, Wolcott, Brooklyn, Connecticut. So we got to thinking, one of the fun things, did you enjoy that, about going to the fair is all the crazy food, right?
Yes.
How many things can you get on a stick, right? So we've got some different little items to show you. This is out of some different fairs all across the country. This is the Meat Man Parfait. Take a look at it. It almost looks like a dessert, right?
Oh, my gosh.
It sounds strange, but it actually sounds pretty good. It's barbecue pork layered with mashed potatoes.
Ooh.
It's drizzled with more potatoes, more barbecue sauce, and it's got the cherry tomato on top to make it look like a cherry.
Sign me up.
$7.
That kind of sounds really good.
The Illinois State
There's
Fair.
some veggies in there. Good.
Yeah, so it's basically, barbecue
Okay.
pork with
What
potatoes and goodies. We got a number of state fairs in the Midwest. It's a running joke to come up with the most obnoxious food. So far, the parfait is the winner for the Illinois State Fair. At the Iowa State Fair this year, there are more than 50 items on a stick. 50 items, including
Like the fried
deep-fried
Twinkie?
hot dogs.
Oh.
A deep-fried hot dog on a stick. I've heard of a corn dog. Chocolate-covered cheesecake on a stick. Salad on a stick.
Just put a head of lettuce.
How do you do that? Here's what you do.
Oh, like dip it
you
in
do the
dressing.
ice. Yeah,
Or like a rabbit.
Rachel, that's good. She's here all week.
Oh, my
And she is.
gosh. Next up, we're talking Out of Sight with Rick Hancock. Rick, what's going on?
You guys are having way too much fun. Coming up on Out of Sight.